الله وبركاته.
Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. Today is Thursday and the date is 5th of November 2020. We are going to take Unit 3, Lesson 5. How do our bodies digest food, remove waste, and send messages? Before we go into that, can you remind me what we took last period?
This
Yes?
about how our heart beats.
Excellent. Yes. What do I call it when the heart beat? What system?
Circulatory system.
Good job. Thank you, Talia. Judy, what else? We learned about what? How blood moves around in your body and how your heart beat. Okay. And we talked about how do you breathe. Is that right? When you take in oxygen and you take out carbon dioxide. What do I call this system? Breathing system?
No.
Okay. Okay, Jenna, do you have an idea? What about you, Judy? What do I call it, Judy? Judy, are you here, Judy? Maria?
Yes.
Okay, when you breathe, what system it is?
The lungs.
Miss,
like
I know.
is it called the wrist?
Okay, Judy. Yes, thank you, Maria.
like-
Thank you for trying.
Respiratory
Yes, respiratory.
system.
Excellent. Very good. Okay, one more. One more. How do you move? Using your what? Guys. Guys, Maria, Feiruz, Mariana, Judy,
Yes.
Judy, everyone. When you move, what you use what system in your body?
Skeletal system.
Yeah.
Thank you, Talia. Thank you, Talia. I wanted your friends to answer. That's why I wasn't answering you. I know that you know, and I'm very happy and proud. Thank you. The rest of you guys, these topics are really interesting and really fun, okay? And they will be tough if you don't review them or revise them. After we finish, you have to study them at home. If you don't, later you will find them too much for your mind to think about or to memorize or to study. So it's better to study one by one each time. Okay? Can you do that, please?
Yes.
So are you going to study today?
Yes.
Did you get my email?
Yes.
Everyone?
I got it.
Is there anyone didn't
Miss, I
get
didn't saw my email today.
yesterday about the how your body move, breathe, and you didn't get sum it up? Are you
No,
sure?
I didn't. I just forgot to see the email.
Okay, I thought you didn't get it. Okay, so if anyone didn't get it, please contact with me. I will send it again. I sent the highlighted parts. I sent the answer key. So please make sure that you prepare yourself for the second quarter from now. Okay, guys? Right?
Okay.
Good.
All right.
So today we have a new system. We are going to talk about how do our body digest food. Do you have any idea using which system? When you
Yes.
digest food, what do you use?
Our tummy.
Your what?
Our tummy that has our it removes the wastes and digests the food.
Excellent. Thank you, Tala. Thank you, Tala. Okay. Which part in your body will digest food? Huh, Maria? Do you have any idea? When you eat food, where does it go?
In your stomach.
Excellent.
No.
In a stomach. It goes in a trip through what? First of all, it will go through what? Now,
Your throat.
did you eat breakfast today, Maria?
Yes. Not yet.
Not yet. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, now let's try to imagine. If you put a bite in your mouth, the first thing you put it where? In your mouth. Is that right?
Right. And then
Okay.
we just
Can you tell me, Maria, what is the path? Tell me the path. Where should this bite go? After your mouth?
in your throat.
Yes. After that?
And then in your stomach.
Okay, good. It will stay in your stomach, خلاص?
No.
Maybe?
I know.
Tell me, what do you think? I know, Tala, you know. Thank you very much, Tala. I'm so proud of you. But can you give her a chance, please? Please.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yes, Maria, complete, please. Okay, after your stomach, is your body going to keep it or it will take it away?
It will go.
Everything will go away?
No.
Yes, I want you to think and tell me. Yes, exactly. Not everything will go away. Okay, what will move from your body and what will stay? When you eat food, why do you eat food?
So you don't get hungry and you will live.
Excellent. For living. Thank you. Thank you so much, Maria. Okay, I need someone else, please. Please. Someone else, please.
I know. Miss, what was the question?
Okay, Feroz. Feroz, when you eat food, ya dear, when you eat food, okay? What is happening exactly? I want you to tell me about the trip that your bite will take in your body. It will ride on a bus and it will go on a trip. Is that right?
Yeah.
The first stop is your mouth. Is that right? Then Maria said through your throat, it will go to your stomach. Okay, what is going to happen in your stomach? You will keep the food or you will take it away?
Take it away.
Okay. How about if some you will keep and some you will take away? Does this sound right?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay. Thank you, Feroz. Thank you very much. We are going to continue now. Look at the question over here. If you could see through your body, this might be what you would see when you look in the mirror, okay? What is the colloid tubes inside your belly and what does it do? Can you see the colloid tubes?
Yeah.
This one looks brown. The colloid tubes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, what does it do? What do you think?
Oh, Miss, I know.
Yes?
I know. It takes the food.
Excellent. It takes the food, or it absorb what? Nutrients. As food passes through, it takes nutrients, vitamins, whatever it needs from the food, and it will leave the waste. Now let's see. We are going to take about stomach, liver, pancreas, kidney, and bladder. All these we are going to learn about, and you will know the function of each, okay? Now, what goes in when you swallow food? It passes through a long tube in your body. As it travels, the food is broken down into smaller pieces, and all of the useful parts are absorbed by the body. See? All of the useful part, only the useful part will be absorbed by the body. All that is left over is a waste, okay? Now, as you can see over here, we have 4 organs, and these are the functions, okay? First of all, you have the esophagus and stomach, small intestine and large intestine, okay? These 4 organs I'm gonna explain on the next picture. It's better for you. Then we will come back to this page and underline, okay? So look at this picture. This is the digestive system. This is what's inside your tummy. When you touch your tummy, you can feel these stuff? No, because they are protected by what?
Skin.
Skin. Excellent. Skin. Now, look at this one. Let's start with this one. Can you see my pointer, guys? The red pointer?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm pointing over here. Can someone tell me what is the page number?
It's 155.
What?
155.
145?
55.
55.
55. Okay. Open to page 155 together, and let's start. Okay, over here, first thing you see is the liver, okay? But before the liver, there is small tubes. Can you see the blue line
Yeah.
over here?
Yes.
Everyone can see? Small
Yes.
tubes. The small tube over here, what is it? What do I call it? What do I call these tubes? Esophagus. Esophagus moves food from the mouth to the stomach. So this is the highway that goes from the mouth to the stomach. It is a long tube, very long tube. What do I call it? Esophagus. Please make a box around the word esophagus. Okay?
Okay.
Esophagus. And esophagus moves what? Food from your mouth to the stomach. After that comes what? After that comes the stomach. So if this tube delivers food from the mouth to the stomach, so the stomach will have the food. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. When the stomach have the food, the stomach, it will do what? It will mashes food into a liquid and mixes the food with digestive juices. Do you have any idea how does it do that? What's inside the stomach?
I know. Miss,
Yes, Tala, you keep telling me, yeah, Tala. The stomach has what?
has like kind of an acid so that it could digest food.
Excellent. Yes, it has kind of acid and it digests food. This is how it make it liquid. So when your food goes into your stomach in small pieces, this liquid will say, hi, hello, I'm gonna make you just like me. You're not gonna be solid anymore. I'm gonna smash you and make you liquid. Okay? Why it will make it liquid? So it will be easy go through the
Other body.
yes,
The rest
other
of it.
parts. Now, what comes after the stomach? Comes the small intestine. Okay,
What is that?
small intestine. And we have a large intestine. Can you see the small intestine and the large intestine? They look like what?
Brain.
Really? No.
Yeah.
Juri, they look like what?
Spiral.
Like brain, like Tala.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe they
It
are
does.
like brain. Maybe the first sight when you
Yeah,
see it, the
small
first look,
The small instance.
the small intestine is very long tube, very long tube. Do you know it's really long? That's why you see curves and curls because it's all inside your stomach. But have you ever seen the in Eid al-Adha when they make the sheep, when they take the meat of the sheep, they take its guts from
No,
inside?
I don't see it. I don't
Really?
like.
You've never seen the
My-
small
I
intestine?
don't like to see
Some people
me
love to
too.
eat it. You know that?
No, I don't. It's stuff like that.
Yeah,
I
it's
got
better.
rid of it.
It's not really good. I don't like it too because I feel it's a little bit disgusting, but
Some people like it.
it's really something interesting to see. Really, very interesting to see. You can see that on next Eid al-Adha. Now, this
Okay.
small intestine, what does it do? Why it's very long tube? It digests food and absorb nutrients from digested food, okay? When it digests, now the stomach will make it a liquid. Now it will be easy to go this through this small tubes, with which I call it small intestine, and it will absorb the nutrients, okay, from the digested food. After that, after it digests food and take all the nutrients and the good stuff, what will be left? What is left now? Now your small
Liquid.
intestine took all the good stuff from your food and took all the good stuff, the nutrients from the liquid. What is left now?
The bad food. The waste.
Excellent, the waste. Now, where do you think, Yajuri, the waste will go?
Into the water.
What comes after the small intestine?
Large intestine?
Yes, the large intestine. After the small intestine will take all the good stuff, all the nutrients. It will absorb the nutrients and will leave all the waste. Then the waste will go through the large intestine. What will happen there? It will absorb water and minerals and leave only the waste. Then it will go out of your body. Okay?
Okay.
So who takes nutrients?
The stomach.
The
The
small
small
intestine.
intestine.
And who
large
will take the
intestine.
minerals? Who will take the water and minerals?
Large intestine.
Excellent.
It's so
Now,
hard to pronounce.
intestine.
Intestine.
Again,
like Einstein.
intestine.
Intestine.
Everyone, Where is Jude, Fayrouz, Judy, Mariana,
Here.
Amal? Where are you guys?
I'm sick today
Yes, I'm
because
here.
I'm not answering.
I'm sorry to hear that. Okay, now, so we know the path. First of all, through your mouth to the small tube, to the lung tube, we call it esophagus. After esophagus, it will go through the stomach, from the stomach to the small intestine, to the large intestine, and then where? Then you have three very important organs. They help the digest food and absorb good stuff and move away waste. Let's see the pancreas. Pancreas is behind the stomach. Can you see the pancreas? I'm gonna draw it. We're using my hand. Just a minute. See the pancreas? Oops, this is square.
Miss, what is the pancreas? It's so
Pancreas
weird.
make juices that are released into the small intestine. These juices break down fast and proteins into small pieces that can be absorbed by the body. So the pancreas will help you to digest food where in the, this is the pancreas.
Miss, everything is so complicated.
Yes, it's not really complicated. It's really easy once you realize every organ and how does it work. Can you
Yeah,
see the
but
pancreas? It's yellow behind this stomach. I'm gonna show you
now I
video
can
after
see
we
it.
finish. Can you see over
Like,
here
oh,
the small?
yeah.
Yes, this it
It
looks
looks like a snake.
yes,
Looks like a
snake
snake.
skin.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, exactly. It's yellow. This pancreas gives you juices. Gives your small intestine, small intestine juices. Juices. What they are going to do? They will
They're
help
going to
break
help
down.
hydrate.
Mm.
No.
They will break down the fats and proteins. When you eat fats and proteins, who will break them? Your what?
Pancreas.
Yes, excellent. Your pancreas is going to send the juice to your small intestine and will say, hello, I'm here from the pancreas. I'm here to smash the fats and proteins.
Miss,
Okay?
what kind of juice is this?
It's a special juice, can break down the fat and proteins. Okay? So pancreas will do what?
Will smash the proteins and fats in your body.
Excellent. Where is the place that they are going to do this big, huge operation?
And your stomach?
In your small
Intestine.
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 Excellent. Now, Mariana, are you here with us?
Yeah. Tickling.
Okay. Mariana, what is the first stop over here in your digestive system? After your mouth, the food will go through what?
I know.
I want Mariana.
Esophagus.
Yes. After esophagus, it will go where?
Stomach.
Stomach. Excellent. After the stomach.
Small intestine.
Excellent. Later?
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Okay, so what is the pancreas do?
I know.
Please, I want Mariana, guys, please.
It breaks down fat and protein.
Excellent, excellent, good job. So pancreas works where? In the small intestine, and it sends juices to break down the fats and proteins. Okay, let's see. We have the liver and And the gallbladder. What does the liver do? The liver also makes juice. But this juice, what does it do? Help break large blobs of fat into tiny droplets that the fats can be broken down and more easily. So it breaks down fat too, but which fats? All fats? Or when you eat Kentucky? Guys,
All fats.
not all fats. It will take the huge, large blobs of fats and it will break it into tiny droplets so that the fats can be broken down more easily. Huh? Hi, Tala. What should we underline? Underline the liver, under the liver. The liver will make what?
The liver will clean your body.
Okay. Yes, it cleans our body. Excellent. But how? It makes a juice. It's called bile. Okay. This.
Miss, all of them. All the functions in our body make the juice in our stomach.
What? All the functions what?
In our body, in our stomach, makes juice.
Yes, excellent. Okay, the liver makes a juice called the bile that helps break large blobs of fat into tiny droplets so that the fats can be broken down more easily. So it will take the difficult fats and the huge one and it will break it down. So liver can do just like the pancreas, but the pancreas will not only break down fats, it will break down fats and proteins. But liver, it also only break down what? Fat. Okay, guys? The liver will break down what?
Miss, is this whole thing in our stomach?
Yes, everything in your stomach. Now let's finish with this one so I can open the video for you. Now look at the gallbladder. The gallbladder over here, it's in green, okay? Stores bile. What is bile, huh?
Bile? What is bile?
Yes, I just told you. What is bile?
Oh, it's the thing that comes from the liver, the juice.
Excellent. The thing that comes from the liver. Huh? The juice that comes from the liver. What do I call it, guys? What do you call it? Bile. So the gallbladder will store bile from the liver and send it where? To the small intestine only when food passes through. So after everything finished, after the food already went away from the small intestine to the large intestine, the gallbladder will send what? Bile to what? To the small intestine. Why? To see if there's any hard fats or big fats didn't go through yet or not. We'll see who's left. Who's left? Oh, you are so fat. You need more help. So I'm going to send you bile. See?
Yeah, okay. Miss,
Okay,
can I
guys.
ask you something?
Yes, you can ask me. Just a minute. Let me just... Okay, I'm going to stop recording now so I can post for you the video to see before you leave. Okay, guys? That was everything for today, digestive system. And we are going to continue next week, inshallah. But before you leave, I'm going to show you a small video about digestive system.